strides through the sparks, a grin like a blade in the furnace dark. Boots on the table, fist to the sky. He drinks where the weak and the fearful die. He forged his laugh in a cannon's flame. He branded the night with his battle name. From the pit to the peak, the rafters ring. When Torgoth rises, the dead bells sing. Raise the horn, lift the steel, feed the fire, make it kneel. Hail Torgoth, Clawhammer, hammer high, let the red sparks rain. Hail Torgoth, Clawhammer, roar his name through the iron hall again. Drink, brothers, drink, till the black cups shine like war tonight. Hail Torgoth, Clawhammer, king of the cask and the cursed flame lies. Hell's gate cracked when he pounded the anvil. Ash fell down like a prophet's mantle. He called for thunder and thunder came. He taught the coals how to spell his name. Wolves of the hillside howled in time. Church bells drowned in the mead-soaked chime. He stood in the blaze with a crowd